You don't understand.
Perfect.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Rare Diamond Tea channel, with your girl Tequila, back with another video. So today I decided I just wanted to do some barbecuing, and mom pulled out the grill, so I'm basically over her house right now, and well, I'm gonna just basically get that started. So I haven't started the grill yet, so I'm gonna go do that first, and then I'm gonna come back and show you what I'm gonna be grilling. All right, if you want to know what I'm grilling, keep watching. Okay y'all, so I'm back and I got stuff on the grill now, so I'm gonna just show you. So we got our shrimp on the grill. I got a thing of corn, like 4 corns in here on the grill. Got the potatoes, and I did the hot dogs already, so I'm just letting those sit up there, keep them warm. But that's so far what we have on the grill. My mom's gonna be grabbing some more stuff to put on the grill, so this is what's on there for now. I'm excited to eat this. So excited to eat this. Like, you don't understand. She's lifting delectable. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna just keep cooking this, and I will be back to show you guys some more. Alright guys, so I got some more stuff on the grill for you, so let me just check. So we got some sweet potato, got some more corn. Ooh, got a little fire burning over there. Got some chicken, and I think that's just like a block of coals or stuff right there to just, yeah. And then there's the chicken sausages, they're cooking. So yeah, this is what's going on the grill right now. And I already took the other stuff off, as you can see. So they're cooked and ready. Alrighty you guys, so I took the sweet potatoes off, and I had some more corn, so I made some more corn, and that is off now. Let me show you guys what outside looking like. Hold on. Alrighty guys, so this is what the outside is looking like. I got the chicken still cooking a little bit, but as you can see, starting to grill up real nice. We got some chicken sausage grilled up pretty good, and then we got the last 3 sweet potatoes, which they should probably be ready by now. I'm gonna check those soon, but I just want to show you guys what's going on. So this is what it's looking like, and yes, it is nighttime. As y'all can see, it's definitely nighttime. But yeah, we're basically pretty much done. Just the last little few things that need to be cooked, and yeah, that's what we have today. I hope you guys are having a good day and you're staying safe, and I hope that you got a chance to barbecue too, and if you did, let me know what you barbecued. Leave it in the comments so I know exactly what you had, and or you can leave some photos. I would love to see. But yeah, that's what's going on. Alright you guys, so this is the final finale. The chicken is all done, as y'all can see. And there's this chicken sausage, and of course the yams, or the sweet potatoes. And I'm just gonna show you. It's really tender. It's really tender, and all of them are like that, kind of tender. But yeah, that lets you know right there that they're ready. This one just completely busted open, as you can see, so it is definitely ready. See that? Yeah. So yeah, everything is all done. Potatoes, the hot dogs from earlier, the chicken, and of course the corn and the rest of these potatoes that I did. So this is the finale, and again, let me know what you cooked. I want to know for future reference. Thank you again, and hope to see you in the next video.